G'day guys, my name is Russ and I'm the BBQ Guy here at Appliances Online. Barbecues, it's an all seasons affair. So what we're going to do, we're going to give you some tips and tricks on how to maximise your backyard cooking experience, impress your friends and have a damn good time while doing it. So let's get grilling. So it's getting cold outside, you know what that means? Nothing, because barbecue season is an all year experience. Today we're going to be doing a winter favourite, a beef casserole inside a charcoal barbecue. So today we're using a Napoleon Charcoal Kettle. We're going to also use a chimney starter. This is going to help us light our charcoal quickly, efficiently and safely. So we've got some fire lighters in the bottom. We're going to put charcoal. We've got briquettes today because they give a better burn. We're going to fill the chimney full of charcoal. We're going to light it, give it about 25 minutes. This charcoal is going to ash over. Once it's ashed over, you know it's nice and hot. We're going to pour it into that barbecue. We're going to cook that winter warmer recipe. So we've got our charcoal in the barbecue, and now what we want to do is we want to brown our meat inside our Dutch oven. We're using just a stew beef. We've got a little bit of oil in there. We're going to put that in. And we're just going to brown that off. Once it started to brown, we're going to put the rest of the ingredients in, close the lid, let it go. So we've added the stock. We're now going to let those flavours infuse. We're going to add the lid to our cast iron camp stove. We're going to push that to the other side, away from the fire. That becomes that indirect cooking method. It's going to become a slow cooked casserole. It's going to be amazing. So there you have it, a hearty winter meal cooked on a charcoal barbecue. Remember to follow us on Instagram and to head to our website, see the widest barbecue range and latest in tips and tricks. See you next time, grillers and thrillers.